How to create forms in Monday.com. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick video, because it's actually super easy to do. Now what you basically want to do is simply go to Monday.com and go to your workspace and then your board that you want to add a form in. So once you're here, you can see the main table over here, and then this plus icon called add view, and then you want to click on there, and here you can see a couple of different options, including form. Now let's say form is not showing here for you. Let's say you face that problem. Then you can click on more views, and then over here you can click or search for forms, and then you can click on there, and that is how you can add a form. So you can immediately give it a name. But yeah, this is kind of it. And then here you can click on edit form, and then this will pop up, and here you can actually do all the editing. And then you also have the extra customization, the publishing, and here you can copy the link and send it to people, or you can shorten the URL, copy the link and send it to people. There's also some extra options. Here you have the results, and you can also automate it. Now, here you can also click on preview, and this is how it will look like. And yeah, so that's basically it. So here at the bottom on in the publish section, you can also deactivate the form. The form is public. It is available to anyone with the link. And then if you deactivate it, hit OK. Form is now deactivated. Users are not able to access this anymore. And then, yeah, that's kind of it. So that's how you can add a form or create forms in Monday.com. I hope this quick video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and I will see you next time. Have a good day.